Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary. Good to see you again.
Good morning again. Spring.
It's spring.
Moving.
That's right, it is. So we have a question today. This has come up in the minds of a lot of people recently. I've heard a lot of people talking about this. My employer is making different rules for people who have been vaccinated versus those who have not. Yet we are not obligated to tell them if we've been vaccinated. How does this work legally with privacy issues?
Yeah, I'm not sure about that question. How you're not obligated to tell them? I don't know that that's true. I guess you assume you didn't get the vaccine if you won't tell them. It's like, I'd rather not say, But I don't know what there is to hide about it. And honestly, I don't know that there's really rules about this. As we haven't really had a national kind of leadership on these issues since it started. And so the consensus, I will say this: we live in a employment at will state. You don't have the right to, you can be fired for anything. You may get unemployment, but you pretty much have you can be fired for anything. And I think what I've been hearing, and I go to Zoom meetings with other law firms to see what people are doing. And what we're seeing is that people are requiring people to get vaccines. And then if they don't, I guess they're going to terminate them. I don't know what the consequences are, but I don't know that. I think they can require it. I think that can be part of what they want their workplace to be, safe for others, promote the vaccine and promote moving on from this in our whole society. So I think they can make different rules. I don't know that there's any definitive answer to that though yet.
Yeah.
But, have not heard that there isn't.
Yeah, it's still kind of early in the vaccine as it relates to legal issues.
I hope everybody gets it, and if there's a medical reason not to, I think your employer will certainly work with it.
Yes, yeah. Okay, so what's going on with the courts? Things are starting back up?
They are. So a couple of weeks ago, Judge Land's doing a great job moving this along. He sends out emails about the progress of things. They're not allowing people to go in the courtroom to watch a trial, but there are viewing rooms actually in Columbus to watch a trial. I think trials are going on. They've called witnesses, they've picked juries, trials are being done. And so we're moving forward. It's not business as usual yet, so we're not all the way back, but we're starting.
We're starting.
And that's great.
That is great. It is. Fantastic. Gary, thank you so very much for joining us today. If you have a question for Legal Break, please send us an email, legalbreak@wtvm.com, and we'll see you on the very next one.